As you can see, we're back here with the 85 Toyota pickup. Now that the driver's side floor is rust free, we're gonna take a little break from the body work. And today I'm gonna be attempting to take this rusty old bed off. Let's take a look underneath and see what we're working with. There's one up there. And that might be another one right there. Let's see if we can make some hand tools do the trick. What I believe is the final bolt on this side near the rear has a nice hole to go up through. Having this box off here is also going to give us a really good look at the frame, and hopefully we don't find anything that we don't want to. That's all the bolts. Time for the filler neck. I think I've come to the realization that this is some heavy hunk of steel. Well, I got a chunk out of my thumb, but we're making some good progress. Well, to get here, I uninstalled the taillights, and then, as you can see, spent the next little while wrestling with this heavy steel box. Overall, I was just happy to see the progress I was making by myself. Wow. The bed is now officially off. That looks really cool. Now we have the bed on the ground because one pallet didn't quite do it. Awesome. Can't wait to pull this inside and take a closer look. There we go. Got the bed off of the pickup here. Got it on the pallets here sitting. Not sure what I'll do with it. Gonna see if there's anyone I can give it away to. Well, here it is. This is super cool. I actually just got done hitting all over the frame with this screwdriver. And while it was very scary, all the metal seems to be solid. Stay tuned for more progress and updates on this pretty awesome truck. Feel free to subscribe to stick around for more videos.